Ingat ka sa pag-uwi mo, Mark. Salamat sa paghatid sa akin ngayong gabi. Mag-text ka na lang pagkadating mo sa bahay niyo, okay? Kita na lang tayo ulit sa susunod.
Kumusta ang pag-inquire sa college school, Jenny? Ano ang mga requirements doon?
Okay naman ma, eto ang listahan.
Good morning, Jenny. Are you free today for our clan eyeball?
Good morning, Mark. I would love to go. I am so excited to finally meet everyone there.
I am really glad that we all decided to come here tonight.
Me too. Honestly, I have been having such a great time just talking with you like this.
I've been thinking about what I asked you before, and I wanted to know if you would finally let me try to win your heart today.
I have been waiting for you to ask me that again, and I thank you for walking me to the Jeep, Mark. See you tomorrow.
Surprise! We brought snacks for everyone.
Guys, dig in. Let's enjoy. It is so great to finally, absolutely perfect for all of us.
Jenny, is there any way we could step aside for a moment? I really need to talk to you about something important, if you have the time.
Of course, Mark. I am listening.